In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send message on Microsoft Teams for new Gmail emails. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger. Then choose Get Email as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Select the label, in this case Inbox. Now in steps, we will send a message using Microsoft Teams. Select Microsoft Teams. Choose Send Message as Action. Again select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the team and channel. Add message using Gmail app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Gmail. We'll compose an email. Enter your subject. Enter your message. Click on Send. Now let's go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, the journey is executed successfully. Now go to Microsoft Teams. We can see a new message has been received in Microsoft Teams. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send message on Microsoft Teams for new Gmail emails. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.